Hello everyone. We're here today to talk about a very important topic, understanding what tax exempt means and how to claim exemption from withholding on your IRS W-4 form. Taxes can seem complex, but they don't have to be. We're here to break it all down. So, let's start by defining tax exempt. The term tax exempt refers to income or transactions that are free from taxes. This could apply to certain types of income, organizations, or even people under specific circumstances. For individuals, tax-exempt status often refers to the ability to exclude all or some of your income from taxation, meaning you would owe no taxes on that income. Now, that sounds great, but before you get too excited, it's important to understand that this status is not universal. It depends heavily on specific circumstances and requirements. In terms of withholding, in general, a tax-exempt status can be claimed on your W-4 form if you had no tax liability last year and expect to have none this year. This usually applies to certain low-income individuals, some retirees, and students, among others. Remember, this doesn't exempt you from other payroll deductions like Social Security and Medicare. These are separate from your income tax and will still be deducted from your paycheck. Now, let's move on to the IRS W-4 form. This form is used by your employer to determine the amount of income tax to withhold from your paycheck. The information you provide on this form directly affects the size of your paycheck and the amount you may either owe or get refunded when you file your annual tax return. So, how do you claim exempt on your W-4 form? Well, it's fairly simple. First, you'll need to fill out Step 1, Personal Information. This includes your name, address, and social security number. The next part to pay attention to if you're claiming exemption is the line where you can write exempt. This indicates to your employer that you meet the conditions mentioned earlier and no federal income tax should be withheld from your pay. To do this, write exempt on Form W-4 in the space below Step 4C. Once you've filled in your personal information and written exempt, you'll need to skip down to Step 5, Sign and date the form. This is an essential step. The form isn't valid without your signature. Now, remember to leave the rest of the form blank. You're claiming that you won't have any federal income tax liability, so there's no need to fill out sections about multiple jobs, dependents, or other adjustments. But remember, you should only claim exemption from withholding if you meet the following two conditions. 1. For the prior year, you had a right to a refund of all federal income tax withheld because you had no tax liability. And 2, for the current year, you expect a refund of all federal income tax withheld because you also expect to have no tax liability. If you do not meet both of these conditions, you cannot claim exemption from withholding. It's also important to note the consequences of claiming exemption when you're not eligible. Doing so can result in owing the IRS a sizable amount when tax time comes around, along with potential penalties and interest. This is not a situation you want to be in. Also, please remember, if you claim exempt and your income situation changes during the year, be sure to revisit your W-4 form and make appropriate adjustments. Alright, folks, that covers the basics of what tax exempt means and how to claim exemption from withholding on your IRS W-4. I hope this explanation was helpful, and remember, always consult with a tax professional if you're unsure about your situation.